Hello Saints family, my name is Haley Martin. I'm the Vice President of Intercollegiate Athletics here at Limestone. And today I am joined by Hank and Michelle Jolly, longtime fans, friends, and supporters of Limestone University and Limestone University Athletics. And we have some exciting news to share with you today.
Hey everybody, I'm Michelle Jolly, and our family is proud to support the Championship Focus Athletic Capital Campaign with a special matching gift towards a new court at the Timken Center. We'll match every dollar donated up to $75,000, doubling the impact of your gift.
I'm Hank Jolly, and we're inviting you to join us on this incredible journey. With your help, we can reach our $75,000 match goal as part of the larger $250,000 fundraising effort to a new court at Timken and make this year unforgettable for Limestone Athletics. Visit the website below and donate today and make your gift go twice as far.
Thank you so very much, Hank and Michelle and the Jolly family, for your generous gift and support of Limestone University and our athletics department. This gift is going to impact 7 athletic teams and over 100 student athletes here at our university. Thank you so very much, and there's still an opportunity for a naming right for this to leave a lasting legacy. Go Saints!